Chaos number 8 is herding cats. Dealing with your staff and employees and trying to figure out how to get them to behave in a way that actually supports productivity rather than fighting against it. The trouble with people is that they are human beings, and so you've got emotions, you've got rivalries, and as a consequence you've got drama coming out of all of that. Nothing kills growth in your business faster than drama. Drama can be anything from an argument about who's done the best work to whose responsibility it is to do something instead. And the consequence is that the work doesn't get done because there's too much hot air going around rather than productivity. And if your team behave like primary school children, it's largely because you're trying to treat them like you're herding cats rather than you're managing them as a responsible team of adult employees. In order to shift your team's performance, you have to shift your mindset first and introduce some structure to the way they're being run. And this is one of the key modules within the X2 program, where we show you how to run a lean team of efficient, effective, high performers in a business that's in the messy middle between 100k and £1 million.